Hot damn.
I told you guys the next video you would see was this control arm going on. And guess what? New bushings.
Beautiful.
In, pressed, ready to go. Ball joints on, which I showed you guys, bump stop. Other ones in, so as soon as I'm done kind of getting this snug a little bit, I'll get the spring on. Get the shock, well, shock, then spring. Have Bobby push up on the arm. We'll put the nut on the shock, lock it into place, and then I'll do the top. Yeah, baby. This driver's side's going on today. I don't care. One way or another.
Yeah. And you got to get the other set apart still, but you're at the point of where it's just going to bust apart.
Yeah.
Look at you. You've been the fucking machine this morning.
And did you see how pretty those parts turned out with a little lick of paint on them?
Oh, yeah. Did you video that earlier?
Yes, I did.
Oh, then I don't have to go back and shoot it again.
No, but I still like looking at them.
Yeah.
Hey, it's been a busy morning.
You're telling me.
Okay, you were out driving around trying to find Punani.
No, I was out driving around trying to fucking get the head back.
You see there, you just said it. You were driving around trying to fuck. I don't want to hear your shit.
The cylinder head from Brian.
So see, you were trying to get head.
Oh, I succeeded. It was $600 though.
Shit, she better have been good.
Oh god, now it's aluminum and it's nice. Oh, he had to mill that fucker 30 thou.
Oh my god.
It was warped so bad.
Oh shit.
Yeah, we had a little. It was wild. Yeah. Anyway, cylinder head for the rolls. So we're gonna have Brad's rolls videos coming up soon.
Oh my god. Oh, don't tell me. Let me guess. Because I'm up. I've been sitting here the whole time and didn't hold the other.
You fucking special.
I'm a fucking moron. I swear to God.
Yeah. You can look for another.
The point of the fact is, people, don't get old. Cancel your subscription now. It's not worth it.
No. It's not like it pays more.
It doesn't.
It becomes more expensive.
Fuck yeah, it does.
I'm impressed.
With?
The fact that you got all that horse shit done.
Sometimes it pays to be old. Not always. Just...
I mean, you've been here since 7 o'clock. So.
Yeah.
Look at you. Every time I get the notification on my phone that the alarm's turned off, I'm like, God damn it, Scotty, why are you showing up so early?
Oh, I told you.
You're expensive.
I like schedules. I like being able to be in, go to work. I'm in bed early. I'm up early.
You can come in whenever you want. Wait, that's very dirty. Not me, though.
I can come in whenever I want.
No.
Yeah, baby. We're going to have to go to X-rated YouTube.
And we're going to PornTube. Pornhub. XTube. Whatever the fuck it is.
You know what it is, people. No, you guys wouldn't. You would. Oh, here you go. I was watching a British comedian.
Oh, I was like, porn?
He's disabled, super cool guy. I mean, just really, really nice. And he's 3/4 blind.
You know you can keep wrenching while you're doing that, right?
No. Fuck. So, okay, so he's on stage and he's like, my wife caught me jerking off to Pornhub. And she's like, if you keep on doing that, you'll go, what, more blind?
Oh, my God.
One of these days, I'll have to link some of the No, I can't link some of the videos that I watch.
Why? They're already on YouTube. I don't see what's his problem.
Not all of them are on YouTube, let me tell you.
Well, the one starring you at 3 in the morning. Right?
No, someone actually put it on. I had to.
Those are called short films, right?
Yeah, short films, fucking dick.
Yeah, that's what we're talking about.
I had to get a hold of I'm not going to say where, a particular site.
Oh my God, I don't want to know.
And have a video removed.
Why, you weren't getting your royalties?
I never gave consent.
Oh well. You never gave consent here either, but too late.
Okay, boys and girls, we're going to be screwing for a while, because I'm going to be busting a nut.
Oh, Jesus. All right, we're getting on almost 5 minutes. I'll just take a video when you're done. Messy.
Told you I was going to get a nut.
Oh, my God.
Okay, boys and girls, we'll let you go. We'll come back in a little while once I busted my nut.
You gonna get some comeback when you bust a nut?
Oh, I have been known to paint a wall or two in my time.
Oh, my God.
There we go.
Oh, well, see, we're almost there. Maybe we'll just wait. After this, you go rub one out later. You're gonna
I'm gonna rip it off.
Fucker off.
No, it's gonna be beaten like an Iraqi prisoner.
Woo!
Give the fucker a waterboarding.
Woo! Well, and away we go with more inappropriateness.
No, not here. That never happens at Deseroff's Classics.
It's constant inappropriateness and shenanigans.
I know, right? I fucking love it. I was actually talking about playing with another customer's shaft. Drive shaft, that is. Drive shaft.
Yeah, that's on one of Joey's videos.
Yep.
And then he texted us and said, "God, you can play with my shaft anytime." And I was like, "Oh, woo, woo!"
Not something I planned on hearing because he's married. But apparently, you know, whatever for people. I don't. I truly do not judge.
Hey, my favorite quote is, "You ever seen a ring plug a hole?"
A ring plug a hole.
There you go. And you're almost in. You're not in yet.
Yeah, I know.
Is it in yet?
I've never heard that one before. Ever. Surprisingly enough.
I have.
Okay, boys and girls, we're going to put the shock on, get everything set, ready to go, get the spring in place.
And then we'll snug them up.
And then we snuggy. Woohoo!
All right.
All right, guys. Love y'all.